Circuit bracelet. The circle bracelet is a fitness strap in the Trekker style. Your Pour One touch screen transforms. The bracelet contains 1 pico projector and 8 approach sensors on the forearm of the user. The proximity sensors capture where the fingers of the user and enable them with the interface like with any other device. The bracelet is fitted with a hinge. Turn activated, then can even to be used for calls. Answer. It contains an accelerometer, integration modules as well as a LED for 1.9.4 notifications. It does not have one own SIM card, which shows that is used with a smartphone. Must become. The connectivity is through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and a micro USB connector. Assures the application possibilities for the bracelet are versatile. It can do anything. Do what a phone or tablet can do without needing a screen. Vinks in the mirror to skin. Antioxidants changes because of their diet and your life goal. Steady Vinks is the first nutritional and health sector of the world, realizing your antioxidants level. Skin with the help of a palm. 1x understands how your lifestyle is on your body, affects nutrition, sports, sleep, stress, alcohol and the sun exposure to the critical factors. The amount of antioxidants in your body is in direct connection how long you will live and also depends on a better one health and a higher attractiveness together simply by using a button, and is available for 20 seconds in the hand. Holding Vinks synchronizes itself automatically with a mobile app with it. Her the fiery antioxidant mirror and measure your progress. Can only when it comes to the computer. Then your options are either one mouse or keyboard, tools that make it more or less unchanged since 20 years. But now there are the yesterday shoes. A device with which you control your PC. Can be in those with the fingers in the air. Clicks. He is composed of one band which the device at the back of the hand fastened and finger extended the like a glove fit every hand. Controller contains 15 different sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope and magnetometer. Intuitive with your hands. Work shift between different apps by simply with your finger snaps to move your screen around the mouse. The best is that you yourself can decide which which actions are linked, which means that they are custom for all the necessary actions can be programmed. Each controller contains a 500 mAh battery by night. Hours of active use per charge. Can also be made from one distance up to 45 meters from the computer, which is particularly practical for presentations and much more. The Odin is the first laser projection mouse of the world. The design was by the Nordic, say the spear throwing in Baden. Inspired only that the device takes place. Lock with laser beams shoots. After you have heard of him, her now may be that the mouse to be huge and dangerous. It must. In fact, it is only 40 grams. And is portable, so leave it simple. Put into the bag. Rodan consists of the robot module. Your desk trackpad projected onto it. To control the computer with your finger. You can manipulate. No longer the whole day one physical mouse. Reduce natural hand movements. The risk of the annoying tennis pour. The modern Odin captured reaction signals with infrared sensors. Traditional cameras, so they have a higher resolution. The mouse simply over a USB port with your computer or laptop and you can get started. Targa 2.0. Targa 2.0 is a bicycle that, especially for modern families, was developed. It combines the fun of a high-performance bike with the functionality of a quality leisure driver. Every ride is something fun that you have with yours. Child sharing should have 2.0 days wheels so that it is perfectly stable. The large with steel reinforced cargo box contains 2 child seats the back and can be mounted forward and optionally with a sun or all-weather protection. Splitting. It also has a optional keep strict for the box. Allows you to fix things around your children. Your baby is missing a nap. Then just put the seat in the sleep position. Gaga is perfect to the constantly changing needs. Your family can be customized. Modular design and accessories allow the use with newborn 6-year-old children, 2 children at the same time, and many more days. Is also suitable. Excellent for your leisure with the children in the park while shopping at the pick up from the school, or simply active stay. Joystick guitar playing is to learn. Not easy. Actually give 90% of the people who start with it of the first year develop to master this hurdle. Jamstick is a portable digital guitar playing with your iPad, iPhone, or Mac, connecting them to the requirements of a real guitar, so you can be sure that her real guitar strings on the handle board. Press. Use spurious techniques. The device light around your fingers to scan and you on-screen feedback in as soon as possible. Has been established. Free app, a series of interactive actions the beginners through everything from the string bit to chords leads. Jamstick does not produce any noise as soon as the device, but with the software connected you can hear everything is played and even has more versatile creative option. Overall, Saturday is a great learning tool and in the right hands. Fun stage instrument. Adaptive said that they say the parts is a module system with which everyone can create their own laser level. For this you need tools again. Training the items are very intuitive and user-friendly so that even a beginner in only a few minutes a great laser art with electronics can build. The parts consist of aircraft aluminum, so the composite handles solid and heavy enough is around. Not with a plastic toy to be confused. The blade consists of one transparent polycarbonate tube. Diameter of 1 to the turn of the tube are moderate, so they are led by the lead. Fully executed laser is stable enough around against other weapons and can be in any color, shining, and it is even possible other components such as sound or motion sensors. To add motto back-to-back is the first hybrid suitcase, partly suitcase part motorized vehicle. The module mountain is a standard airplane bag and can be taken by you on board by giving a test dose. But do not forget that the circa 20% of the place for the batteries, the engine control and other items will need. The coffer reaches up to 8 km h in the indoor and 310 km h in the auto mode. The lithium battery is strong enough, at least 10 km h to drive, and has 2 USB so that they can reach up to 2 devices can charge simultaneously. The side can also small. You will be able to fold up your feet to make the ride even more pleasant, and the stable wheels, those of a skateboards, are similar for everyone. Airport subsoil. Of course, the suitcase, but also simply traditional. Simply move the handle and pull him on the wheels behind you. Rookie Ricky is the flattest and lightest keyboard for tablets, smartphones and laptops. The device with a thickness of 125 millimeters, a weight of 160 grams was so developed that it is perfect for on the go and take him any tablet. As a bookmark passport as wireless keyboard became the Wiki. Bluetooth keyboard based on nanomaterial and semiconductor technology. Developed apart from the buttons. The keyboard still has an integrated mouse wheel function for Windows and Android devices. The keyboard is very flexible and does not even break. If you inadvertently use the car crossover or take them out of 5 meters height fall, let it is as well. Completely waterproof for that too. No spilled drinks. Splitting. Thanks to the 600 billion it still needs a few times a year. Provided he does not exceed them longer than 4 hours per day. In the Falco compressor around the world traveler. Trying to get some space in her suitcase for some additional. Could save money at the new USB clothing compressor named Wago. Be interested. According to the market research of its developers, besides clothes and others soft material in most suitcases, a lot of the place, the device can give you up to 50% additional space. The clothing is simple in one vacuum bag is pressed together Fargo. Equipped with a smart sensor which measures the pressure and stops automatically when the maximum compression is reached. The device is in 4 different colors available and can have a length of 70 millimeters and a weight of 85 grams. Can be easily transported. The compressor is connected via a USB cable and a portable battery or a ordinary socket outlet. Latest developments in the smart home technology aims at the user to allow everything check without hand to have to. The concept of ring comes this ideal Senat. The device is similar to one, but also very clumsy. Ring full sensors and electronics. Allow your equipment control. It offers you gestures control though. Also texting Gabe in the with the writing in the air writes. Each application has their own unique gestures. Wanted to activate it then leads simply the appropriate action. It is also possible to do the gestures on your smartphone or tablet individually. Measuring you can get your lights to house with a finger snip. Check the song on your iPhone. Switch the music louder or a photo. There is also the possibility based authorization for the to make use of payments and via the integrated vibration motor and LEDs alarms of connected devices. To obtain, Bring is in 4 different sizes and has a range of approximately 5 meters around those in the train or when hiking. Instant coffee are perhaps on a portable coffee machines with coffee cup. Interested in doing so? Similar for the Europe, it can be easier to transport. Easy coffee and hot water in the container attaches the outer envelope and moved around the coffee vacuum. Bring and make a fresh cup of coffee in 30 seconds, thanks to the insulating air barrier. Hours long. Was also responsible for otter shame. If you want, you can of course also milk and sugar and the coffee either in their favorite place. Fill or drink directly from the end. The circumference is an elegant simple design with the brown one. Perfect coffee cup, easier than ever. You can see